Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. Now in this video specifically bro, I will be showing you guys exactly how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month purely from deving meme coins. Now I switch from trading to deving, all because deving is way more profitable than trading in 2026. You guys will see, because I will be doing a live example and I will be gatekeeping the method for you guys in this video. Let's get right into it. This phantom wallet shows over $100,000 in crypto meme coin profits, and every single dollar, I kid you not, it came from deving meme coins on chain, not trading. In this video, I'm gatekeeping the exact process behind it, and I will be showing you guys exactly how to do it with a live example. Let's jump right in. Now most people lose a bunch of money trading meme coins, not because they're bad, not because they just don't work hard enough, it's because they just trade meme coins and they hope for a quick runner. They buy into a coin, for example like this one, and they just get dumped on, even another one like this one for example, and then it goes to zero. They do not understand that every single coin, or we can say 98% of coins, end up going to zero. That's because the dev rules everything. The devs are the one orchestrating these launches and then dumping when the hype is high. And that's exactly why I highly recommend to start deving, because you will be the one launching these coins with a viral narrative, and then you can just cash out whenever the fuck you want, and it's a repeatable method. You can launch coins over and over again, and it costs practically nothing to launch a meme coin, bro. So that's why in this video I will be doing a live example. I will be showing after that how to create your coin, launch it on chain, and then obviously get attention to it organically and stand out and have an edge over every single other dev. I will be doing a full-on tutorial, even for the people who are just beginning coming into meme coins. It's perfect for you. So let's get right into the video bro, and let's fucking go. And by the way bro, before we get started, I just want to be clear that everything said in this video does not constitute any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I am recording this video for educational purposes only. Cap. Now a lot of devs, when they start deving their first meme coins, the platform they usually go to is Pump.Fun to make all their coins. It's the most well-known launchpad, so it feels like the obvious place to begin. But that's where people mess up heavily. Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated. New tokens are dropping every single second, and most of these coins will die out almost immediately. So if you're still launching here, you are just wasting your time relying on luck to carry your launches. And there's another serious issue. Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and takes a percentage of the creator fees that you should earn as a dev. So from the very beginning, you are giving up control of your own launch. Now, as a dev, the real goal is getting your token in front of the radium traders, okay? Here is where a bunch of liquidity is resting and a bunch of people are waiting to buy your coin if you get your coin in the radium decks. Now, using Pump.Fun bro, reaching that stage takes too long and depends way too much on chance, because your meme coin needs to reach a $60,000 market cap if it goes through Pump.Fun. That's why I switch over to create meme.io, because this launchpad removes all of those problems and your token launches directly onto radium instantly. I'm talking every single coin, so it reaches a bunch of active traders right away and gives you a strong edge over everyone else. That's why a bunch of people are gatekeeping this launchpad, and on top of that, you control your liquidity pool. Now, there are multiple strategies when it comes to actually making a coin on create meme.io. You could either create a whole new coin from scratch by going on X, right, or Instagram or Reddit and looking for a viral narrative. It could be anything, or you could create your own project and then you would just launch it here by creating a name, symbol, and image. Or you could either just sit here and track tweets, and when a viral tweet comes along, well, you could turn that viral tweet into a coin directly. But in this video, we will be using my favorite method, and that is the copy trending coins tab. Basically, all these coins, they all have a good narrative, they're all going viral right now on Pump.Fun, and they're all gaining a bunch of traders, buyers, and a bunch of attention, which means the goal here is to copy any coin here to Radium and then reach way more traders and convert way more people into your coin, and you could possibly surpass the coin that you copied. You're just reduplicating a coin, but you're launching it to Radium instead. That is the strategy here, and it's repeatable. I will do an example. Alright, now it's time to actually copy a coin and then see how much we can make in profits right now in this video, bro. Keep watching if you want to see the whole method live right now, okay? So first of all, make sure your Phantom White is connected. Click on refresh right after and then look for a coin to copy. You could either go for something that you like, or you could just try your luck and go on a coin and then copy it, right? I'm gonna copy the Strawberryto, why not? Click copy to Radium, wait for your Phantom to pop up, and then ignore the block from Phantom. I just want to say that every single launchpad is going to have a block at the beginning. It's not a big deal, just ignore it. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand right here, and then confirm, and then the coin should be vamped or copied in a couple seconds. Just give it a couple seconds for it to load in. Bang, bro. And now if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live, it's minted 10 seconds ago, everything is working. Okay, you guys can go check for yourself if you want, but yeah, now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page right here is where we create our Radium liquidity pool. Basically, your coin will get immediately upgraded to Radium, where thousands of people are going to wait to buy your coin right after, potentially, right? But yeah, it's really important, right? If you do not understand this step, it's not a big deal, just follow along and one day you might understand it. For the amount of coins, click on 90%, that will drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount of soul to pair, that is basically the first buy into your coin, which will be you, the dev, the creator. It's you. You will be exchanging some of your soul for some supply before everyone else. And remember, bro, you are not losing the soul that you are swapping. You can get it back later if you want, whenever you want. Once you remove the liquidity pool and you get your money back, it will come back, bro. It's not a big deal. You are not really spending it. Yeah, 0.3 soul is what I'm going to put. You can put whatever you want. Click on create pool, wait for your Phantom White to show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the straw BS coin. That's the ticker symbol. It's not live. And by the way, bro, your PNL, whenever you want to see it, it will be right there. And if you do click on the refresh button, well, as you guys can see, bro, now we're up $155 in our PNL counter. That is because people are just buying in. It's for that simple fact. We have a good narrative since we copied it and people are aping in early. Now click on view on Photon, go on Axiom if you want, go wherever the fuck you want. I'm going to go on Photon personally. Let me go in full screen to see the chart. Okay, it should be live soon, just give it a bit of time for it to load. And as you guys can see, guys, people are now buying in. $63 buy, $30 buy, things are looking good. 1.4k market cap, 1k liquidity. Okay, it's going up and down. Okay, we're getting volume in our coin. By the way, bro, these are all organic people buying in. Now I am seeing the same wallet buying in. I don't know why that is. I guess it's one, there's like 2 people buying in. What? This guy is pumping and dumping our own coin. I don't know why, bro. Here is a new person, $41 buy. That is not bad, bro. We're up, like, if I had to guess, $300. Damn, bro. $80 buy right here. Damn. Now there are strategies where you can promote this coin to chillers on X. If you have a community, you can promote it there too. There is a bunch of different strategies. It's up to you, bro. This strategy though, it's all organic, bro. Boom, a bunch of people are buying in and I spent nothing. That is why I love deving. Anyways, I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back and I am going to cash out my profits because look at the coin, bro. It has shot up a lot. We are almost at a 10k market cap within a couple minutes, and that is a great sign. Now, come back to create meme.io to cash out. And obviously, bro, we gotta hit the classic refresh. It's up to you though. and then here you can visualize your profits. But look, just fucking be quick before it goes down. Cash out right now, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to show up. Okay, just wait, come on, bang, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to cash out on your coin. And if I open my phantom wallet, bro, yes sir, bang, 21.7 so came in my wallet, bro. That's exactly how to do it from start to finish. And guys, now it's up to you to do whatever the fuck you want with this information. Join my Discord, join my Telegram group, create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description, bro. You guys have to fucking try out create meme.io and start diving today. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this lucky winner right here, just like, comment and subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below for more info on the giveaway. Good luck to everyone who joined.